Hello, I'm Bill Shires of Stone Age Water Blast Tools. I'd like to show you one of our new cool inventions. It's called the switcher. The switcher is a unique tool to the industry that allows you to change the direction of the jets on your tool when you're using it in operation. I'm going to demonstrate the first set of jets right now, which we call the pulling jets. That's exactly what you're looking for when you want to get your tool to go down several hundred feet of pipe and clean an obstruction that's either in a 90-degree bend or something that's clogging the pipe downstream. When you're ready to clean that particular section and you've pulled your length of hose down, your required length, the operator simply switches his pump off and turns it back on like I just represented there, and those radial jets do all the cutting and the cleaning. So this is so exciting because here's an innovative tool that allows you to save water, save fuel, and save operator time. Everything you're looking for to do better in your job on a daily basis. If you have any other questions about the cool technologies we're coming out with, please give us a call here at Stone Age Water Blast Tools. Thanks for watching.